So I don't see anything holding it onto the frame, which is kind of nuts. So I am gonna try to lift it out of here and see what happens. So I don't want to make the same mistake I did on the mower. I'm going to crack this case drain open and just make sure there's some oil in it. Okay, so I pulled this drain plug out. It's got metal shavings all over it, so that's not a great sign. I don't see or feel any top filler for this, unless it's down in here, but I'm just going to put some gear oil in there. Kids, always clean your funnel. Unfortunately, I believe there's a large planetary gear right up against the filler. That's why I'm having problems getting oil into this. If I could only rotate the output shaft a little bit, this might get better, but I didn't think about that at the time. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's shavings all over.
Would it fit right now?
It might.
No.
No.
Break. loaded.
Push it out. Like a can. We learned by the second hole, if you use water during this process, the dry dirt will stick to the bit, and that way you can get it out of the hole. Otherwise, it just piles up in the bottom and slides off when you pull the bit out. One thing I quickly wanted to mention is typically these things in the auction come with 3 auger bits, a 6-inch, a 12-inch, and an 18-inch. Unfortunately, I didn't notice on my auction, and I got a 6-inch and 2 12s. One other thing to note is the quality of these vary greatly by auction. I picked this one because it looked like a heavy-duty gearbox and a heavy-duty mount. There's a lot of these that have really cheap sheet metal mounts, and they just look like garbage, so make sure you check that out before you buy one.
Our holes are 3 feet and like 7 inches.
That can't be good. Gonna stop? Yay, this was user error! So this is another learning tool. I didn't even check these. I should have. I did all that, nobody noticed anything really squirting, but you can see I've got a little bit right on the side. Both of these were loose, so I'll need to tighten those. Check all of these. I've got something leaking there. That might have been water from them spraying. I don't know. But maybe so far so good. Looks like I still have all my bits, so that's good.